All right, we're gonna walk into this ice cream store. We're gonna order ice cream and take the ice cream out, put it in my pocket, and replace it with a hot dog.
What are you gonna ride on?
I'm gonna take my 7.8 Skipper here, the dog of all boards. It's a water dog for sure. It's about that tall. Jumps like a stinging serpent reaching for your leg. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be going for the legs. And
Sounds fun.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
There he is.
He did not look
He
like
was
that
taking
before.
out the coast, dude.
Oh my
He was like, had this kind of like
It was boring.
the shirt over his head, but tied so you could just see his eyes, and then his black shirt. And he was in the tall grass with the surfboard.
And just combo. What's going on?
Talking about your shirtless pictures on the beach.
No, this is not going. No, you're actually not. You're talking, but you went up there with him and
we
did
did
the
a
same
run.
thing, dude.
We did it.
I don't know if you can make fun of him, but we went up there and did the same run through the bushes, dude.
Way different. No, sorry, what?
Where are we?
We're at Rufus, and it looks pretty fun. Yeah. 6 meter surfboard. It looks like there's some fun swell, and the water's warm now, so come on.
My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to rhyme and to hype me? It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit and let them know what's going on like that, like that. Hold a little bit, just don't fall on back. Let them know that you're too much, and this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hyped and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, them a white or a tape. To learn what's it gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit. Either work hard or you might as well quit. That's word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Which way should I go for the mic? This way or that way? I'll go this way. I had a gas station burrito.
How was your day?
Good, dude. It was so windy. Although, wind sports are slightly brutal, man. There's just so many like little pieces of gear and equipment, and if one thing goes wrong, you're just so bummed. That would be my complaint.
Yeah.
If I had a complaint. But other than that,
Good day.
good day.
Charlie says he wants to move to the beach, and I said maybe the street he will live on will be Comp Lane.
How was your day today?
How was my day?
Yeah.
It was great. It was great to get back out there. It was very 10 out of 10 actually. All around, great day.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna walk into this ice cream store. We're gonna order ice cream and take the ice cream out, put it in my pocket, and replace it with a hot dog. Hey, could I get a small vanilla and a waffle cone?
Is there anything else I can grab besides that?
That's it.
Have a wonderful night.
Is this the cone?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't need that. You can have that.
There's a truck. You can just toss it right behind you.
How's it going? Good. What can I get for you? Can I get a banana with the skin on it?
Talking about it? Yeah. Did they have like weird faces?
They're still losing it, dude.
Are they?
They're still losing it.
How was it?
Oh, he's describing it now. He's describing it. He's like,
Oh, no way!
look at him. He opens his pocket. It's
Oh my god, that's so badass. That's great.
Yeah, do you have vanilla? Oh, awesome. Can I get a single scoop of vanilla in a cone? Awesome.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.